Hello everyone. So in this video, I will explain the sort method in JavaScript. So the sort method in JavaScript is used to sort the elements of an array in place and return an sorted array. It is like by default it sorts element are string in ascending order, which can lead unexpected result with numbers. Okay. So the default behavior of I'm here some examples so you will better understood how it is work. So first of all, I am writing the code of default behavior. Without a compare function, elements are converted to string and sorted lexicographically. Okay, so that's why like I'm writing the const number and then one array 10 1 5, and then if I will write number dot sort and then console dot log number, so it will give output. See, 1 10 5. Why 1 10 5? So now I will explain. So the reason of 1 10 5. So the by default JavaScript sort method convert an array element to string and the compare them lexicographically. Okay. So in that, when we call a number dot sort without a compare function, JavaScript treats each element as a string. 10 also a string, 1 also a string, and 5 also a string. So 1 comes before 10. So 10 because it starts with 1. So that's why it's like first in 1. See, 1, and then 10 comes before 5, right? So because 1 less than 5 when comparing first character, so that's why it is coming 10. And then so the order becomes 1 10 and 5. Okay, so to fix this and sort numerically, use a compare function. That's why we use this, that is called compare function. Now I will explain how we can use compare function. So in that compare function, we can simply use like const num and then one array 10 1 5 and then number dot sort. Here I'm using arrow function, like I pass two parameters like a and b and then arrow function a minus b. When I will do like a minus b, so it will print 1 10 5. Sorry, 1 5 and 10. To sort number correctly, we provide a compare function, so that is compare function. So it is first in ascending order, so we will got output 1 5 and 10. See, 1 5 and 10. Now if I want in descending order, so in that descending order simply num dot sort and then arrow function like a pass parameter a and b and then arrow function b minus a. That after that we got output in descending on order. So in that like 10 5 1 we got. See, 10 5 1. So that is the part of numerical. But if I talk about in string, so in that string it is working in simply way. It is working like const fruit banana apple cherry fruit dot sort. If I will do fruit dot sort, so it will take alphabetically means first of all a and then b then c. So first I received apple, then banana, then cherry. See, apple banana cherry. So that's all about sort method. I hope you understood sort method. If you have any doubt, so you can comment down. If you like this video, so please share and subscribe. Thank you.